Welcome back, everyone. This time around, we have my first Father's Day gift. It came from my mom. Thank you, Mother. And also, little shout out to my baby girl, 2 months old, Anaia. So, I wanted to do this unboxing since Father's Day hit this week. You're probably gonna see it a little later, but hey, unboxing for Father's Day. Here we go. Okay. Ooh. We got the Colombia colors, very colorful, and just a bunch of paper. By the way, I can't move these things around already, so that's why it looks like that. Alright, so that's just the bag. Paper bag. And let's open it up. Let's give it a little clean. I guess those are things. It looks like a vintage something. Ooh, we have a watch, Dufonte. This looks like a vintage watch. I'm not gonna showcase the receipt. It's a gift. Well, I have to talk about it in case you're looking for it. She paid retail price is $150. $150. Holy cow! All right. So there it is. Dufonte. Stainless steel. Genuino. I suck at pronouncing that word. Genuine. Alright, help me out in the comments below, because I suck at it. I know that's leather. It smells like old. I assume that's an antique. Nice. I wonder how many of you guys have a gift, either a watch, a tie, or some socks. Leave it in the comments below. Well, look at that watch. Do a little zoom in. I like it. My mom knows that I'm more into extra thin watches. I love them. I don't like the huge thing. I hate those. They're uncomfortable. And I like this. It's pretty cool. Let's check the box. Well, that doesn't come out. It has a diamond, I guess. And well, looks like a legit antique box. It says push button for warranty. Ooh. Alright. Patent pending. Interesting. Okay. This is like a certificate, I guess. But I don't see anywhere where it says that the diamond, the carat, or anything like that. Nothing. It doesn't seem to include it. I'm just gonna go with the I'll take the word for it, I guess. Alright guys, well this was it. One of my Father's Day gifts. What do y'all think? I like it. I don't think I'm gonna do on the couch and off the couch for this one. I just wanted to do this one for Father's Day, something a little bit more different. I might do a photo shoot, product shoot for this. But there it is. I like it. What do you guys think? Alright my friend, well thank you so much for watching. This was a quick video for Father's Day. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget, I do unboxings. I sit on the couch. This is on and off the couch. On the couch we talk about some specs, maybe some first impressions. Off the couch we put it to the test and give you an in-depth or a little bit deeper look into the items. In this case, the watch. I might do another video talking about it. It feels great. It's not invasive per se compared to other brands. It looks classy. I like it, and it's comfortable. It's nothing. I like watches where I forget that I have them. That's the type of watch I want to use, and that looks elegant. And this one, it looks pretty nice. Yeah, awesome. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.